Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is a squared plus ab, this is equal to 12. Let's call this equation 1. B squared plus ab, this is equal to 13. Let's call this equation 2. So what is the value of a and what is the value of b? Now let's provide a solution from here. So the first step is to add equation 1 with equation 2. So this implies that we have a squared plus ab plus b squared plus AB. This is equal to 12 plus 13. So this implies we have a squared plus b squared, then plus ab plus ab. This is 2ab. Then this is equal to 12 plus 13, which is equal to 25. Now, if we check this particular part here, this is actually in the form of a plus b raised to the power of 2, and this should be equal to 25. Now, the next step is to introduce a square root on both sides so that we have a square root of a plus b raised to the power of 2. This is equal to plus or minus the square root of 25. Now, let's eliminate the square root sign here so that now we have a plus b. This is equal to plus or minus a square root of 25, which is equal to 5. And this means that we have two possible values of a plus b. So we have a plus b is equal to 5. And we have that a plus b, this is equal to negative 5. So we can call this case 1. And here we have case 2. Now the next step from here is to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Now subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, this implies we have a squared plus a times b. Subtract, we have b to the power of 2 plus a times b. This is actually equal to 12 minus 13. So we have a squared plus ab. Now let's open the parenthesis here. This is minus b to the power of 2 minus times plus ab. This is minus ab. This is equal to 12 minus 13, which is minus 1. So plus ab minus ab, this simplifies so that we have a squared minus b squared. This is equal to negative 1. Now a squared minus b squared, this is the difference of two perfect squares that we can express as a plus b multiplied by a subtract b, and this is equal to negative 1. So we can solve for a minus b, given that from case 1 here, we have a plus b, this is equal to 5. So we can substitute 5 here. So we have 5 into the parentheses. This is a minus b, and this is equal to negative 1. So let's divide both sides by 5. And this implies that a subtract b, this is equal to negative 1 over 5. Now, we have that in case 1, we have a plus b, this is equal to 5. Then we have a subtract b, this is equal to negative 1 over 5. Now, you find that these are systems of two linear equations that we can sum. Let's sum these two systems of linear equation. We have a plus a, this is 2a. Then plus b plus minus b, this simplifies, and this is equal to 5. minus 1 over 5. So this means we have 2a, this is equal to, now 5 is our number, so this is over 1. We have the LCM as 5. So 5 divided by 1 is 5 times 5, this is 25. Then subtract 5 divided by 5 is 1 times 1, this is 1. So 2a is equal to 25 minus 1, which is 24 over 5. Now to solve for the value of a, we multiply both sides by 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. So we simplify here, and we have that the value of a is equal to 24 divided by 2, this is equal to 12. So we have a is equal to 12 over 5. We can call this as a1. Now let's solve for b1. Remember we have a plus b, this is equal to 5. So we can substitute a, which is 12 over 5, plus b, this is equal to 5. Now the next step is take 12 over 5 on the right hand side, so that now we have b1 is equal to 5, subtract 12 over 5. So 5 is our number, so this is over 1. We have the SCM is 5, so 5 divided by 1 is 5 times 5, this is 25. Subtract 5 divided by 5, which is 1 times 12, this is 12. So we have that b1 is equal to 25 minus 12, and this is equal to 13 over 5. So in case 1, we have the first set of solution here, a1 comma b1. This is equal to 12 over 5 comma 13 over 5. So this is the first set of solution that we have. Now let's proceed to case 2. Let's proceed to case 2. In case 2, we have a plus b. This is equal to negative 5. This is equal to negative 5. And we have that a plus b multiplied by a subtract b. This is equal to negative 1. Now we can substitute a, then a plus b with minus 5, so that we have minus 5 multiplied by a subtract b. This is equal to negative 1. So let's divide both signs by negative 5, so that now we have that a subtract b, this is equal to 1 over 5. This is equal to 1 over 5. Now given that we have a plus b is equal to minus 5, we have that that is a plus b, this is equal to negative 5, and we have that a subtract b, this is equal to 1 over 5. Now these are systems of two linear equations, so let's sum these two systems of linear equations. So we have a plus a, this is 2a. Then we have plus b plus minus b, this simplifies, so that we have here negative 5 plus 1 over 5. Now we have that 2a, this is equal to, now this is negative 5 plus 1 over 5. So negative 5 is our number, so this is over 1. The LCM is 5, so we have 5 divided by 1. This is 5 times minus 5, this is negative 25. Then plus, here we have 5 divided by 5. This is actually equal to 1 times 1, this is 1. So here we have 2a, this is equal to negative 25 plus 1, this becomes negative 24 over 5. Now let's multiply both sides by 1 over 2, so that now here we simplify 2 and 2, so that now we have a2, this is equal to negative 24 divided by 2, this becomes negative 12 over 5. So we have the value of a2 is minus 12 over 5. And if you recall, we have that a plus b, this is equal to negative 5. So we can substitute a2, which is negative 12 over 5, then plus b2, this is equal to negative 5. So we can take negative 12 over 5 on the right hand side, so that we have b2, this is equal to negative 5 plus 12 over 5. Now, negative 5 is our number, so this is over 1. We have the LCM here is equal to 5, so 5 divided by 1 is 5 times minus 5. This is negative 25. Then 5 divided by 5 is 1 times 12, so this becomes plus 12. So we have B2, this is equal to negative 25 plus 12, this becomes negative 13 over 5. And this means that the second set of solution here, A2 comma B2, this is equal to negative 12 over 5 comma negative 13 over 5. This is the second set of solution here for this algebra problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. Please like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.